Hey everyone, thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Crypto Flight Edition. Yes, your fellow compadre speaking. Alright, so a lot has changed since we last spoke of Bitcoin. We're going to do an update on Bitcoin as well as Dogecoin, emergency update. So let's not waste time, guys. I have a few levels I want to explore with you all. It does appear that we were wrong on our last video post. We're going to go over that. So yeah, let's get right into it here, guys. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Thanks for sticking around, my loyal subscribers. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here. So today's August the 4th, 2024, and the current price of Bitcoin, 54,082, fluctuating there, slightly negative 8.5% for the day. Okay. All right. So an error was made on our last video post. It looks like the 51.1K level was not here. It's actually right here. Now that has been verified, and pardon me on that. This is actually going to be 57.1. Okay, so let's go ahead and get that in there somewhere. All right, and in the meantime, so it looks like there's a lot of selling pressure here, guys. So you guys know we always look at the time. Okay, and I think on our last video post we did do a quick comparison on how the sellers candles moved up. If you guys are looking at the screen, just kindly follow me here as I have to change this color here on this settings. And let's see here. Oh man, this is gonna ruin the video. Yeah, oh no, we got through it. Okay, perfect. So something like that. So these three candles that you see here vaguely highlighted was the buyers moving the markets up. And it looks like so far, like literally just one candle from the sellers. This candle right here. This candle right there. Sorry, guys. Let me just get that border a little bit darker. Yeah, so that candle right there. It actually absorbed all three of the previous green buyers' candles. Now, this is, I'm not going to say it's good or bad, right? But what it does tell me is that there's a lot more selling here than buying. And it's likely what the market is trying to do is find the nearest level of buying activity, which will likely be somewhere near the $51,000 level. Okay, 51.1K level that we did discuss. Okay, but we just put the line at the wrong place there. So 51.1, I won't say it's inevitable, but I will say that will likely be the practical level for the market to just come out and hang out and see if those buyers will be strong enough to hold it there and hopefully push the markets back higher. At this moment, I am not sure of what's going to happen next because there's too many active candles. If you notice this red candle here, this weekly candle, it just started like, I don't know, a few hours ago. Okay, let's just call it like about 5 to 6 hours ago, because there's still 6 days and 18 hours in this candle. So actually that still means that this candle has an opportunity to close above 57.1. okay, but I don't want to make it seem as if I'm like an extremely optimistic about this market moving higher in the short term. It does appear that there is more selling here than buying. It appears that way right now on this day. Can things change as soon as I post a video? Yes. Listen, guys, my job is, well, I'm not trying to time the market right now. And I don't think it's practical to try and time Bitcoin, time the bottom, buy the bottom, load the boat at a specific number. I'm just dollar cost averaging. So these fluctuations up and down, they don't necessarily bother me like at all. Okay. In fact, I may start increasing my dollar cost averaging that's going on per weekly now that we're getting better prices. All right. So essentially what I'm seeing is 51.1K incoming. I'm not going to say it's inevitable, but I will say let's let this daily candle has only been open for about 7 hours, 6 or 7 hours. It's a pretty large candle. There's a little bit of buying going on right now. I'm not sure if there will be enough to hold this market up. It's just a waiting game right now. Okay, 51.1. Let's see how the market reacts to that level. If it makes it to that level, which it does look pretty promising right now, and we'll just have to take it from there. All right, we'll do weekly updates on Bitcoin, possibly Dogecoin, but definitely Bitcoin as we move along here in these important times in the crypto market. Okay, that's what I have for Bitcoin. 51.1 incoming. Let's see if the buyers can hold the market right there, if this isn't a buying opportunity that we're staring at right now. Okay, so Dogecoin, let's take a look at Dogecoin. The current price of Dogecoin is 9 cents, slightly negative 12.1% for the day. Okay, and I remember the last time we spoke of Dogecoin, I still had a bullish tone on Dogecoin. One thing that I will say is this is the white line that I thought, and it still has potential to stay above. And the reason that I say it still has potential is because we're looking at weekly candles, and this is still an active weekly candle, meaning that a lot of things can change from now until the actual close, which is about 6 days and 21 hours from now. Can it move lower? Sure. Can it close above the 10-cent level before the close? Absolutely. Now, that's not me saying that it can go up and down, whoop-de-doo. What I'm saying is, in order for the trajectory, all the beautiful gestures that I was able to identify in the Dogecoin market, and how I said that I'm only seeing higher prices in the Dogecoin market, this would all be determined by if this weekly candle closes above the white line, which is 10 cents. And yes, it is in fact at 10 cents. I verified it this time. Pardon me, guys. All right, so again, if this weekly candle closes above this white line, 10 cents, then everything that we explained on the last video post about Dogecoin is still in play. There's too much new price action going on right now. It's very difficult for me, at least, to determine what could take place next. But I'm not really extremely optimistic about the bullish stance for now. Right, let's let this weekly candle close and see how things are going to play out. The sellers are pretty aggressive in the gestures in the market right now, guys. So we just have to wait. All right, let's let the full weekly candle play out. For Dogecoin, if it does not close above 10 cents, then we'll just have to revert back to that previous level that we spoke of, I think, well over a year ago, if not years ago. The 0.07 level, okay? This red line, and that's all I have for Dogecoin and Bitcoin for now. In a nutshell, we have active weekly candles that just freshly opened hours ago. So we have to give this at least 6 to 7 days to determine where the weekly candle will close. In the Dogecoin market, hopefully 10 cents. If not 10 cents, 0.7 cents for Dogecoin. And for Bitcoin, we only have one level, which is 51.1. Okay. Well, actually, two levels. It's 57.1 for the weekly candle. If the weekly candle closes above 57.1, this is just a quick flush out and the market will move higher. I'm not saying that's going to happen. I'm giving you guys two levels on each crypto. We've covered Dogecoin. Right now, to close things out for Bitcoin, 57.1 weekly candle within 6 to 7 days. If it closes above 57.1, it means the buyers are here, and they're probably not letting this market move down lower as quickly as one may think, although the market is looking as if it wants to like fall off a cliff. All right, 57.1. If that level if it doesn't close above that level, then the next level down, 51.1. All right. Really simple, guys. Just two levels for each crypto. Nothing complicated. Not saying it's going to go up or down. Those are the two levels for the bullish case. All right. I still have a bullish stance on crypto. All right. So hopefully you guys stay tuned to our next update on Bitcoin and Dogecoin. And we'll give you the next two levels on the next video. And we'll just take it from there. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you got some from the video. And that's it. So if you don't mind doing me a huge favor before you go, by simply leaving an appropriate thumb. I'd appreciate it on the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video in the channel. Thank you for your continued support. If you guys knew, we also explored the traditional stocks from time to time, so you can kind of join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll send that out to you momentarily. Welcome in. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your time. Remember to always have a strategy before you enter the market. Keep that positive energy flowing. We'll talk soon, and bye for now, guys and gals.